Welcome back to Kim's Art Alchemy. I'm gonna do another one of these cool lily flower Bloom+Crackle lace, like this one that I did. I loved it. So I'm gonna go again. This time I really want my center to be orange and red. So I have already mixed up and put in here 4 ounces of the NicPro Epoxy Resin, and it got pretty warm pretty fast. So I was aiming for 35, got distracted, and I think it reached 40. So yikes. And I am going to drop orange and 2 reds. Should probably only do 1 red, but I'm going with 2. So these are alcohol inks by Ranger. This was Crimson and this one was Valencia. And I mixed up 5 grams, or I decanted 5 grams of the resin, put it in this cup. I put in 1 drop of Julie's Bloom paste, and I added 1 drop of the Valencia in here as well. So now you're all caught up. Do need to start piping. Okay, so just a teeny weeny bit. I'm back with the second layer, and I mixed up 113 grams of the Art Pro Epoxy Resin. It's a 3-to-2 resin, and I let it get to 35 degrees Celsius. And I have, as you can see here, some of this little Piggy, TLP, and it's the High Tide Piggy paste that I am using as my white paste in order to create the lace effect. Now I've decided I'm gonna color my white, and so I use just a little bit of the Valencia, a couple drops into the white to color it. And I'm using TLP Violet Rain for the 1 cup, and then the other cup is gonna be TLP Submarine. And then I'm gonna drizzle it around just like I did on that last video that I saw. And this will give kind of the lace crackle effect. So sit back and enjoy. Today's video is also in collaboration with my great friend Marie-Louise of Marie-Louise Art. You hopefully will have seen her video, which premiered just before mine. And if you didn't, please make sure that you go back and see it. Her video link will be in my description below. She's such an amazing artist, such a great heart, and loves to play around with all different kinds of techniques. So make sure that you go back and catch her if you missed her. Thanks so much. I'm bringing you in for a close-up here because look at those cellular-like structures there that you would see in a plant. And I just think that they are so freaking cool. We're back, and I need to put a back coat on this. Wasn't that really cool to see how those cells formed in there, like little plant cells again? I am going to color my back coat this Permanent Dark Violet by Golden, and it's a semi-transparent. And I'm going to start with, I guess 3 drops, and we'll see what that looks like. I think I'm going to need more. I want this purple to be different from the other purple, the mica purple that I put in here. Violet Rain by TLP. Well, it's really quite transparent. Shall we have a look? I was wishing that I had remembered that I had Color Passion Berry Violet before I had put that back coat on, and I may still end up doing a second back coat for this piece, depending on how this looks after I get it out of the mold. So let's see. Oh yeah, it's still quite transparent. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh wow. That is so cool. That is really, really cool. Yes, I am gonna go back and put another layer of that purple on, because look at this. Okay, so that's the pink backing, but look at that. Huh. In the end, I did put another back coat using Color Passion Berry Violet. What do you think?